How to cancel subscription on your PlayStation. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video, I'll show you how you can cancel any type of subscription that you have on your PSN account, such as PlayStation Plus and so on. So you want to make sure to simply watch this video till the end. Now say that you have a subscription and you're just tired by it, you've decided to cancel it. So in that case, what you need to do is first you want to navigate to the settings tab from all of these menu options. Once you go to settings, choose the option called account management over here, and as you go to the option called account management, here you'll be able to see all sorts of options. Again, you want to go to the one that says account information, and as you go to the option called account information, on the next specific page you'll be able to see all of these details. So let us wait until the web page has successfully loaded up. So over here, if you look closely, you have some of the options such as changing your email address, your security, your wallet features, and so on. But since we're learning to cancel our subscription, we're going to scroll down to the bottom, and here you'll find the option called subscriptions. And when you click on the subscriptions tab and then you go inside of it, you'll be able to see the current subscriptions that you have. You need to press the options button on your controller to enable other options, and you'll most likely find the option to cancel your subscription. The other thing you can also directly cancel your subscription is if you remove your card. So make sure that you've not also added any type of other cards after you've canceled your subscription, because the PlayStation account might still have your card info. So you want to make sure to simply remove your card info from the wallet tab as well. And that's all it takes to cancel subscription on your PlayStation. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.